guys, I'm Noseff Aldridge and I'm the founder and president of Rebel Athletic. I founded the company in 2013 and we are a designer, manufacturer, and distributor of couture and custom cheerleading uniforms. Since 2013, we have expanded to include a school division doing school uniforms, dance costumes, and a retail division, which up until now has been sold strictly through our e-com site, but we are in the process of this week opening our first retail store in Stonebriar Mall in Frisco, Texas. Since I founded the company in 2013, we've really tried to position ourselves as a next generation challenger brand where we are setting the trends in our industry and creating new expectations within the industry. Part of that approach means looking after our staff, our customers, our partners, and the environment. There are lots of things that we don't have a lot of control over in life, but one of them we do is how we treat our environment. And one of the first things that we decided to do when we purchased this building we're in is to take it full solar. And one more interesting fact, even our factory in Asia is 100% solar powered. Texas is an ideal climate for solar energy because we produce 234 days of sunshine a year, which means free, clean energy. We went with Good Faith Energy because, like Rebel, they've really positioned themselves as challengers in their industry. Their staff was super friendly and they really fought for our business. We could tell that they wanted our business and their quotes were really clear and precise. The installation of our solar panels was completely painless, and now we even have charging stations for people who drive electric vehicles to work.